So I'm going to show you how to brew a cafetière, also known as a French press, using our Colombian wheeler single origin. So firstly, tear it or cut it, and we've got these resealable pouches to keep them fresh. And what we want to be doing is adding between 12 and 15 grams to the jug. So what I normally do just to save time is I go for roughly 2 spoonfuls. If you're a perfectionist, you can get some scales out. But we do that, reseal it back up. And all we're going to do is pour some boiling water, or just below boiling ideally. So we're looking for early to mid 90 degrees in. Try get a nice even pour. Once we've filled that up, we're going to get the plunger on. So the trick with this is to put the plunger in and plunge to about halfway. And then all we do is we wait 3 minutes before it's ready to serve. So once 3 minutes is up, we then plunge all the way down nice and slow. And then you're ready to pour. So for me, this is the quickest and easiest way to drink high quality pre-ground coffee. You can then add milk or drink it black. Nice.